Hey guys, here is a quick review of these Magpul Daka pouches. These are just a really interesting innovation here by Magpul, and it's using this kind of new welding technology where they can basically put these together without any sewing or stitching of any kind, and they're just heat welded, and the material is bonded together permanently and just holds up incredibly well. But that also allows you to have, you know, the most of the space here because it comes right up to the edge, uh, and you get a lot more real estate. So my finger is right there up against that seam. So just really, really well done. They're basically waterproof. Have waterproof zippers up here. I have this one set up as an FAK, and you can see some of the contents there. The pulls are done really well with Magpul heat shrink around paracord, full thickness paracord, not gutted. It's got lashing points on the smaller ones on the top corners. The larger ones have it on all four corners, which you can see down there. So you can kind of mount these or hang these a variety of ways. All of them have this dot matrix kind of panel here where you can label them with dot matrix letters. You can go on their website and download a PDF that has kind of the whole alphabet, so you see how you're supposed to use those dots for each letter. On the lighter ones, the olive ones, you can do just black Sharpie and you're able to see it pretty well. I used a silver paint marker down here. They're basically just one of those ones you kind of press the tip in and it puts the paint out, and that works really well for the black ones. But anyway, you can see they do get a little dirty and marked up over time, because it does have, it's hard to see in the camera, but there's a little texture to the outside, which is part of, its strength, but it also means it picks up a little bit, especially on the lighter high vis ones. I have here, so this is a 6x9. I also have the 7x12 here. This is one with the window. And thing about the windows, I think it's great to be able to see the insides. Basically, when it comes, you can kind of see what it looks like there. It was kind of this matte, hazy material, but it does get scuffed and pick up marks from whatever's on the inside. If you have anything with an edge or things like that, or a corner, it will kind of get a little scuffed up over time. But yeah, I don't really care about that. The point is to be able to see basically what's in there. I'm not trying to read it. So, yeah, just super stout, all of them. This one is the 10x16, and you see it's got the lashing points on all four corners. I've seen people use these for toolkits, which I've done that as well with this particular one. Makes them lay flat a little bit because there is no dimension to this. Really, the only dimension you have is up here by the zipper. So it's really pretty flat in general. So just kind of make everything spread out inside the pouch, which makes it lay a little flatter. So you can kind of keep this maybe in a trunk toolkit or something like that. It would work for that purpose. And then here I have the one that's kind of a document pouch. This is 13x13. This one is, meant to be able to put something in there to be able to look at it. I've put other things in there so you can see how it's gotten scratched up. The other side is just plain, and you can see again how it does pick up some dirt over time. I'm sure that this kind of stuff would wash off a little bit better than on the orange one. Those are different kinds of marks. So anyway, they have lots of sizes, lots of variety for you to pick from. I think these things they're awesome. I want to get some of the ones that have kind of the triangular bottom so they stand up. I think those would be pretty awesome to add. But I have these things everywhere in all kinds of different kits in my vehicles and whatnot. They're fantastic, and they're really well done. So pick up a set or pick up one or two of these. They're well worth it, and they will hold up for a long, long time.